Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this beautiful Avoalre Christmas curtain lights. In this case, it's a 4 to 0.6 meter 144 LED Connectable 8-Mode IP44 curtain fairy lights for indoor and outdoor use. It's always not only the 4 meter to 0.6 meter version on the market, you can also have a 6 meter to 3 meter version of it. It uses 24 clear cable, Icicle lights for home party, wedding, Christmas decoration. And you can see, you can make it awesome and nice under a tree or in a tree. The warm white fairy curtain lights are 4 meter in length and have 24 0.6 meter string lights with 6 LED heads, beads, per string for a total of 144 light-emitted diodes. We can connect up to 12 groups, maximum length of 48 meters, together. Wow! Using tail plugs to cover the large areas with that. And this, I think, is a nice option to make a big range of possibilities of lighting. It's certified by CE-ROHS, CE-EMC, CE-LVD, so it's safe for you. The Avoalre LED curtain lights products have passed a series of quality tests and comply with multiple international regulations, promising high quality, of course, safety and higher energy efficiency. In addition, the low voltage plug and the LED will not overheat and can be safely hung from houses or trees. And we are going to simply press the switch on the plug to choose from the 8 lighting effects, including combination in waves, sequential, slow glow, chasing flash, slow fade, twinkle flash, and static. I like twinkle, really nice. And we can choose what we like. And this system comes with a memory function. That means if we shut down the system, it will start with the same program next time if we enable it again. We can certainly create a warm atmosphere with these lights of a soft, glowing, warm white color. And IP44 waterproof rated. This has a wider range of applications than conventional indoor fairy lights. This is ideal lighting solution for decoration, indoor and outdoor. For example, in our home or venue. As the festival season draws near, this light will surely create the perfect ambience for the night in the months to come. And really easy. The shape with the copper wire of the fairy curtain lights are nice to form. You can form it like the surface of the device which you're going to light up is. You can go with it. This beautiful Christmas curtain lights here is perfect for decoration apartments, gardens, lawns, patios, porches, railings, and houses. Festivals, wedding, Christmas time, and more. Of course, the Christmas tree, you can decorate it with that. This brings a warm and homely feeling to our home. It comes with one LED curtain light, and you can addition it with a lot of strings too. Avoalre offers us more creative Christmas tree decorations, string lights, tree toppers, Christmas wreath, etc. To make our Christmas tree unique, decorating a magic world for our Christmas Eve. Avoalre believes fairy string lights should be repurposed as an all-year-round decoration solution to turning our indoor and outdoor living spaces into something straight out of a fairy tale. And that's right. Here it comes with low voltage, IP44 waterproof, memory function, and end-to-end connectable. Be as imagination as we can be. DIY these curtain fairy lights to complete our holiday scene. we let our creativity flow with this choice of embellishments. According to our theme, these fairy lights are suitable for many different occasions. Whether it's a Christmas decoration or a party decoration too. No problem, you can handle it. 8 modes are in it. It's connectable up to 12 sets, safe and efficient, IP44 waterproof, and we create a statement lighting display. This is ideal for decoration windows, shelves, staircases, or hallways in our home or venue, or adding a little bit atmospheric illumination for those special moments such as dinner parties, anniversaries, family reunions, etc., etc., etc. This light will certainly become a show-topping mood lifter in the night hours that are getting longer, with all awesome light effects. And IP44 waterproof. And for safety concerns as well as to keep these lights in good condition, we do not leave the lights unprotected in wet locations, such as vehicle washing areas and open areas exposed to heavy rains. But I think the focus here is for the plug. The plug is to wrap a little bit with a bag, with a waterproof bag around, and then it will be fully waterproof for the outdoor use. Because I'm using this kind of fairy lights for years here in my garden, and I'm on the North Sea, the North Ocean, and here it's really windy and so much rain, and it's no problem with it. This is a nice product here because it comes from Avoalre, and they make good and decoration nice stuff. This is the Avoalre Christmas curtain lights. In this case 4 meter to 0.6 meter with 144 light emitted diodes, and it's connectable with 8 mode, IP44 waterproof, and a curtain fairy lights for indoor and outdoor use. With a clear cable, and it's awesome for parties, wedding, Christmas decoration too. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.